What are you doing to the cucumber?
There's cucumber below.
Hey, why'd you put it on your nose? Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle.
And this is Riley, and this is Riley Reviews.
Is this my vlog or your vlog?
Both of us.
Both of us. Okay, awesome. Good job. Bye. Okay, so today we are going to juice some stuff here. You can see we have a lot of fruits and vegetable here. What can you tell us about the fruits and vegetable here, Riley?
There's apples
Okay.
and orange and cucumbers,
Okay.
carrots, lemon, and spinach. We got
I think this is lettuce
lettuce,
and then celery.
celery,
We have a lot.
and don't forget ginger.
Ginger. Do you like ginger?
No.
So what we're going to do now are 3 kinds and a little bit more kasi we added yung cucumber, wala talaga siya sa ingredients. We didn't have that. Simple juices na yung mga ingredients na you can buy sa mga local supermarkets or sa palengke niya. First one is the immune booster. Stop it! Okay, so first juice na gagawin namin is the apple, orange, lemon, and ginger. You like that? Why do you like that juice?
Because I want to mix it together, and then it's yummier.
It's
and
what?
then
It's yummy?
It's yummier, and then we put it on the glass.
So Riley, what do you like? Do you want the ones that we buy on supermarkets, the one in boxes, or the ones that we make at home like this?
I want what we make at home.
Why?
Because it's healthy.
Healthy, okay. And
It's yummy.
then we can choose what we want to put in the juice, right?
And then we don't have sugar. We only have ginger.
So no added sugar, it's healthier. So we're going to do this every day or regularly every week?
Every day because I
Every
want
day.
because I want juices a lot and 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 a lot.
Okay, so what's going to happen now, Riley, is I'm going to go on the other side and I will tell you what to put, okay?
Papa,
And then you're going to juice it by yourself, alright?
why? You hold my hand.
I hold your... Kasi si Riley is a little bit scared on loud noises. She gets scared easily. Even when you were a baby on tricycles, diba, you're scared. Are you scared of that? No? Because you're a...
5 years old.
You're 5 years old now. You just celebrated your birthday now.
That's over me.
How's your birthday?
It was good. I'm so happy.
You're so happy. What gifts did you get?
A frozen cake.
A frozen cake. Alright, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to leave Riley here and she's going to mix juices on her own. Can you do that?
Papa.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit. Let's show them how easy it is to make juice at home using the Breville Juice Fountain Max.
Breville Juice Fountain Max.
Breville.
Dill.
Ville.
Dill.
Ville.
Dill.
Very good, Breville.
Red dill.
What's this? Olaf.
Olaf knows.
Hey, Olaf, what do you like?
I want one hug.
Okay, so first one, can you get oranges?
Orange here.
Okay, put it here. Half orange, and then what we did with the orange is we remove the skin because if we put in the skin, medyo mapait siya. It tastes a little bitter. That's why we remove the skin. Hey! 1 orange na kasi 2 halves. Put this in. Yeah. We didn't need to remove the... Hey! How many oranges is that? 3?
No.
Oh, that's 3. Stop muna. Stop muna. Stop nga muna! 3 and a half, and then 4. Ay, nako. So that's 4 oranges. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do immune booster. This is your juice. You like this juice, okay? So we did not remove the seeds anymore kasi the juicer will remove the seeds.
Seeds.
Can you say buto?
Buto.
Can you say buto?
Buto.
Are you ready? I'm going to turn it on, okay?
Okay.
You push it down slowly, okay? Let's start slow. Look at that juice. It's not loud. Stop covering your ears. It's not scary. Oh, push it down, pa. Push it down. Two hands. Oh, we have a lot of juice. Good job. Oh, ang galing na ng kilikili.
Hey,
Okay,
we have a lot of juice.
that's a lot of orange juice. How many did we put? 3?
A
Many. Good job. Were you scared?
No.
No. Are you covering your ears? Okay, let me see. Oh, no more. Oh, no more orange. Wala na. Good job. High five. Okay, so now that we put orange, I think we need to put...
Smell good.
Smell good. Smells like orange juice.
Smells like orange juice.
And then we need to put half of a lemon.
This half.
You don't want it too asim?
I don't want it to acid. Only one lang because I don't want it acid.
Okay. 2 apples. Okay, 1 half of a ginger. Can you put ginger?
A ginger. Where's the ginger?
This one.
Oh,
Just put this one. And one more.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Kili. No more? Are we good?
I think we're good.
It's yummy, no? Can you smell this one? Smell good?
Smell good. Smell it. Smell it.
Ooh, they call that immune booster.
Immune booster.
We talked about being healthy. It boosts your immune system. Can you say immune system?
Immune system.
Why is it important?
It keeps me healthy
And
and strong.
keeps you strong para walang...
Virus.
Very good. Okay, so if you guys can see, merong froth. You know. It's a good thing this one has a froth separator. Let's try it out.
First me.
First you.
Oh,
Just a little bit.
more. A lot. It's good.
Really?
More.
More?
More because I like it. Hey, this is yours. This is your glass.
That's okay. Oh, it tastes nice. It's yummy.
More.
Wait, we're going to save some. Ay! Cheers! Finish it up and then we'll make more.
Tastes so good.
So good.
Hey guys, this is good. We have to taste this.
Can you get 5 carrots?
5,
1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
Can we do that? Is that okay?
I think that's okay.
Okay, let's try it. 5 carrots first.
Hey, turn it on.
So 5 carrots, that's all we got. Can you put 5 more carrots? Apple, 2 kinds of big apple.
Ginger. Where's the
I think
ginger?
we have 1 more ginger here. 1 whole lemon. Put 2. Look at that. We have a few more carrots. Can you put 5 more carrots in?
I'm gonna try it. Cheers, like a cheers.
Hope it's good. Yummy? You like it?
Try it. Try that.
Okay, wait. Hey! It does taste good. It's a little asim, sour,
I know.
but it's okay. I think we can still add 1 apple and then the remaining carrot into the juice.
Yummy.
You like it? How do you like it? How do you like the juice?
Very good.
Very good. Okay, Relly, what's next? Are we doing our last juice? This time we're going to put 6 stalks of celery for 5. It's healthy. This is yummy. Healthy food is
Good
good for you, nah?
for me.
Good for you. 1 whole cucumber. So remove the seeds na and also cut into quarters.
And Riley is keeping cutting this one. Ay nako.
What's next? Should we start blending that one or let's put some cucumber?
Let's just blend it now. That's enough.
Okay.
And my blend na.
Alright. Looks green and yummy. I'll put half of the cucumber. Green apple. 2. Put all of these in. Do we need to remove the seeds? No more.
No more. It's okay.
So the juicer can do it for us.
Can do it for us.
Double speed tayo. Dual speed. Last one. Put it up. Let's put some pears.
Pears.
And put your hand in. Wow. It's yummy.
I think it's yummy.
I think it's yummy. Celery. What else did we put? Cucumber, pears, and apple. Can you do it?
I can do it.
Okay.
Okay. We will taste it. Okay. It's yummy.
Really?
Taste it.
It is yummy.
I told you. I'm so strong.
You're so strong. Ooh, it's yummy.
Mm.
That's enough. Look at that juice. Ooh, it's foamy and yummy.
I know. Let's test it out. Hey, you! It's yummy!
Is it?
Cheers.
I like it.
You like it? I love it too. I'm gonna put lots.
That's healthy, no? Celery, cucumber, pears, and apples. Good job, Bradley. Fist bump. Fist bump this camera. Is it good?
Good.
Awesome.
Awesome.
You want to show them our secret handshake?
Apa.
Let's do it. 1, 2. Psh. Whoop. Good job. High five. Oishi.
Hey!
Oishi. Too slow, girl. Too slow. Okay, that was fast. Good job. Hey team, we are back and we're done with our juices. Okay, so we have 5 different kinds of juices here. This one is just lemon, so we're gonna mix this with Yakult maybe tomorrow, no?
Tomorrow.
So, more of lemon. Medyo di siya yung usual na lemon juice that you get when you squeeze it, but it smells like one. Medyo may pait din siya.
No one.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, this one is the first one. We use orange, apple, lemon, and then ginger.
And ginger.
Second one is this one with the carrot. Apple, ginger, and then lemon. So, pinalitan lang namin is from orange to carrots. Pero maraming carrots. You need a lot of carrots.
This one.
This one is the last of the 3. Celery, cucumber, green apple, pears. This one, ito yung mga sobra. Sobrang cucumber, excess apple, and so much more. And also, you can put them sa mga jars like this, or if you have other containers na you can reuse, like this one. This one, you can use yung mga old glass bottles na mga iba't ibang juice na you can put para easy to drink. Or you can also carry this when you go out.
If you have a big bag, you can put all of the juice in it, and then you will drink it at home and anywhere.
So, what can you say about this Breville Juice Fountain Max?
It's so awesome because I want to drink the juices.
It's so awesome. So,
I want
cucumber. This one? It's your favorite? What's this? Orange, apple, lemon. You can drink any time of the day. Morning, lunch, or dinner. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa bottles like this. That you can bring to your office and your school or anywhere. Okay. For this one, I suggest you guys experiment with the different fruits and vegetable that you would like to add into your juice. Again, hindi ako expert or master sa paggawa ng mga blends or mixes, but blend them together, juice them together, and then see if you like it. And then remember, syempre in quantity. Although there are a lot of ingredients and instructions online. Pero ako medyo nalilito ako, so I just went for the stuff na medyo easier to find sa groceries, and also something that I would like drinking and something that Riley would like drinking. So that's why we blended orange, apple, a little bit of lemon, and also ginger. And then when you find the blend that suits you or yung juice na gusto nyo, yung combination sa gusto nyo, then you can buy ng maramihan so that you can juice them, bottle them, and then store it sa ref nyo. Kasi if you've seen yung stuff that we did kanina, we had to blend this one first, and then had to wash it, and then blend it again, and then have to wash it. So medyo matrabaho if you want to do small servings like this. But if you're going to store it naman sa ref nyo for 3 to 4 to 5 days, I guess pwede na siya. Pwede na ang effort. Instead of buying outside, it's really expensive. Abutin ka ng mga 100 pesos. But this one, you get your money's worth, and also healthy siya kasi walang added preservatives or added sugar. Okay guys, that is it. I hope it made sense. I hope this inspires you and your kid to do some juicing at home kasi it's way healthier and it's good for your immune system, especially at this time that we have this virus. Can you say virus?
Virus.
Do you want to get virus?
I hope.
Do you want to get sick?
I hope.
What do you need to do?
You need to drink healthy juice.
Healthy juice. Ang galing mo talaga. Oh, is she?
Hey.
That's it, guys. It came from Riley. Is this Riley approved?
Bye. I want to hug it.
Yung mga ingredients nito, I'll share with you sa description down below. Alright, so that is it for us. My name is Myke and this is Riley. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. It would really help the channel grow so that we can make more videos like this. Hit that notification bell so that you'd be notified on our future uploads.
And see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Say goodbye to the vlog. A bit more energy.
A bit more energy.
No. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Ano? Ascribe?
Subscribe.